Um, I first got involved with Blue Fire when in summer of 2015. I had some free time and I looked at the website of Volunteer Island. I found application there that needed some help with some of their events, and I was really intrigued by it, and so I went there. My first job, it was raining, of course it was raining, but it was very nice. I met so different people there volunteering with me. They were all from different nationalities, and I continued volunteering there for the duration of the summer time. At the end of the summer, they had a festival going on. It's an annual festival, Blue Fire Street Fest is called, and I also volunteered for it because I really wanted to see it. And what's really was interesting for me to see, they had the theme of the festival was around the world in 80 steps, and it was literally that. You can, when you walk around the festival, you can see many different cultures in 20 minutes period of time. They're all performing their own culturally, their own art, their own music, dance, their own workshop, their own craft. It was really nice to see that. Even the food was diverse from their own countries, and that was something different for me to see. Blue Fire was really nice. It was a very nice festival, and I would go to it again and again and again.